Morning po. Good afternoon po mga kababayan, ma'am sir. This is Jam, the Filipino channel ang inyo pong lingkod. So today is April 6, 2026 at tayo ngayon ay papunta dyan yan sa may actually andito na tayo sa may NAIA Terminal 3, Barangay 183, Pasay. At dadalhin po natin ito sa may Big Apple, sa may Very Town Fort Condo, sa may 6th Avenue Bonifacio, Global City po yan, Taguig. Okay, so magbabalik po tayo mamaya konti po pang nakuha na po natin sila. Disclaimer lamang po, ang content po natin ay kalsada at hindi ang passenger. Kaya nga naman, sakasakali man po na may marinig kayo mga pangalan ng lugar, pangalan ng tao, pangalan ng organizations, government o private man yan, ay wala pong kinalaman ng channel na ito at wala pong pinapatungkulan. Lahat po ng pinag-uusapan dito ay pawang dito lamang po yan sa loob at wala pong pinapatungkulan sa labas. Sige po, magbabalik po tayo mamaya konti pag nakuha na po natin sila.
Continue for 400 meters, then turn left onto 38th Street.
Still saving money. This is the genius right here. He did it all. So we started with that CBCT scan, which is essentially a 3D X-ray. Then we ended up a consultation on the treatment plan for my team particularly. And the best part about it all is you can do everything. In English, X-ray intraoral scanning, where my team can then be uploaded and AI can be implemented to construct the work of my team. No, they just gave me a 3D printed model of what my teeth are gonna look like when it's finished. And never than my rabbit teeth. I'm pretty excited. Let's see what goes. The thing that was really cool looking at the veneers here, it was pretty non-intrusive. Usually they shave your teeth down to the tooth next to here, and they did it just enough to where they could fit the veneers on perfect. Your teeth will be printed the same day as an initial slab, and then we'll pass
In
it
100 meters, turn left onto 38th Street.
make your mouth exactly how you need it. And after that, somebody will color it to the exact color you need it. Personally, I hate my teeth. I got rabbit teeth. Oh, be careful. I am these cats. I am these things.
In 80 meters, turn left.
Sa may motor.
In 50 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
Ito may entrance nito.
Apo.
Pangit yata ng pagkagawa ng building.
Ito kasi pag may gulong cutter.
Ayan, so na-drop na natin sila. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Hanggang sa muli po, ingat at God bless. Ano po muna, pansamantala tayo ay gagawa na ng itong video sa ating susunod na misyon. Ano po muna, pansamantala, this is Jam, the Filipino channel. Ang inyong pong lingkod. Ano po?